In this video, I'll be showing you how to restore your WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, you can do this on literally any iPhone, but all you want to do is go over to your WhatsApp application, and then you're going to see a lot of different options in your settings, which is on the bottom right. From here, go to chats, which is right into privacy, and then one of the options you're going to see is chat backup. So go ahead and click on that, and then make sure that your thing is on backup now. So you can go ahead and click that. It's going to be preparing to back it up. And then you're going to see the total size of the backup as well. And then you can also do an auto backup. So you can do weekly, daily, monthly, anything like that. And basically, to restore your WhatsApp messages, what you're going to have to go ahead and do is first delete your WhatsApp application completely. Because let's say, the backups are basically essentially there so that let's say if you switch your iPhone to another iPhone or anything like that, that backup is going to be in place. So all your chats and everything, all of that stuff is basically going to go ahead and still be there. But if you're just doing it on one phone, for example, if anything got deleted or anything like that, what you can do is delete your WhatsApp application completely, then just go to the App Store and go ahead and re-download it. And then that's it. That backup is then going to be in place, and then you'll be able to use all your chats again and recover all of those WhatsApp messages. But it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.